understanding of the definitions and terminology that make up the various parts of a wheel. Shown here is a cross-section of a wheel oriented to the vehicle. There are many different components that make up the anatomy of a wheel. To make this easier, let's break down this diagram. We'll begin at the center of the wheel with the center bore. Center bore refers to the center hole on the wheel, also known as hub bore. It helps to center the wheel properly on the vehicle. Going out from the center of the wheel, the next component is the bolt pattern. The bolt pattern, also known as pitch circle diameter, refers to the number of bolt holes and the measurement of the spacing between each lug drill hole on the wheel. There are 5 different types of bolt pattern: 4-lug, 5-lug, 6-lug, 8-lug, and dual. The lug drill holes are drilled into the axle pad. The axle, or mounting pad surface, is located on the inside of the wheel, which contacts the hub of the vehicle. The portion of the wheel that makes contact with the tire is the bead seat. This is where the tire bead, once mounted on the wheel, will come to rest against creating an airtight seal between the tire and the wheel. In order to correctly measure the width of the wheels, it must be measured from the inside, which is from bead seat to the opposite bead seat. Back spacing refers to the amount of space taken up by the wheel inside the wheel well. Wheel offset is the spacing from the center line of the wheel to the mounting pad. It's important to note that having the wrong wheel offset will affect the back spacing in a negative way. The 3 different types of wheel offsets are negative, neutral, and positive. Negative offset is where the wheel mounting pad is behind the center line of the wheel. It pushes the wheel out and away from the vehicle, used primarily for trucks with lifted suspensions and oversized tires. In this example, we see some examples of a negative offset. Neutral offset, also known as zero offset, is where the wheel mounting pad is in the middle of the wheel and is equal inside to outside, typically used on older vehicles and trailers. In this example, we see 2 typical fitments of a neutral offset. Positive offset is where the wheel mounting pad is forward from the center line of the wheel, pushing the wheel inward towards the suspension of the vehicle, typically used on modern vehicles. In this example, we see 2 examples of a positive offset.